indawo yeMalahleni inothile ngamalahle yande ngamaphawa. Nanyana kunjalo izakhamuzi zakhona nazo ziyacinyelwa igezi. Kanti kusenjalo intuthu yamalahle ithikazisa kabuhlungu impilo yezakhamuzi.
I'm suffering from sinuses for the past 7 years. I don't know about the rest of the community, but I think they do. They can raise also their negative issues pertaining to health environment.
Ukunande kucima igezi kulimaza ipahla yegezi.
Angitshelwanga ukuthi igezi iyahamba. Mayibuya izinto ziyalimala. Amafridge ayasha. Itofu ziyalimala. Yabona thola ukuthi amalayisi amanye ayasha.
Amabhizinisi nawo abetheke kabuhlungu umnotho wemalokishini wonake ufadalela ukufadalala konobangela ukunande kucinywa igezi. Ibhizinisi imakagula optometrist kwindawo kaDokotela Mehlo nayo isamraro omkhulu ngonobangela ukunande kukhamba igezi. Umtshina akha usebenzisako wonakele ngonobangela wegezi enande icinywa le.
Review to do a certain test that requires electricity. And the patient only came for that, and they're going to pay for that. And now they need to go back. And for them to come to the practice, they use taxi fare. So it is a problem.
UMasipalada weMalahleni ukoloti iEskom imali engaphezu kwe-5 billion rands. Kuthi kunjalo uMasipalada lo ngohlulekile kulandela umyalo weEskom ukuthi kungene esigabeni sesibili sokuqindeliswa kogezi ngempela veke. Kunemiraro kunjalo uMasipalada weMalahleni uthi kuthekaziseke kumbi ukupompa amanzi kunye nokudosa isuriji.
The supply of water to our communities, to our consumers, to the industry, to the mining is dependent entirely on the electricity supply. So if we don't have electricity, we cannot purify the water, we could not pump the water, and the people have been impacted upon.
Masipalada uthi ukuzihlanganisela kwabantu igezi ngokungemthetho ungabhadelwa kwezenzelwa zizakhamuzi imali inzalo ephezulu khulu yeEskom ngikho kubangela ukuthi bakolode khulu kangaka uEskom. Lokho ke kunomthelelo omkhulu eqindelisweni kwegezi. Asizo umbono ngokuthi iEskom ilila ngokuthi ayibhadelwa boMasipalada. AboMasipalada bathi abantu ababhadeli izenzelwa. Ithikwanike na nje indaba le.
uEskom ake suganga ngathi uma ngabe kuukuthi iwona ukweledwa kakhulu omasipala kungane angafuni omasipala ukuthi bakhokhe imali yabo acindezela omasipala ukuze bakhokhe.
Iyarara lento eyenza nguEskom mkhathi semaria dlana nje abawenzako umbuso ophetheko neEskom. Kuba yini kani bangaphumi ijima ngoba bayabona kukhona abantu abenza inyoka thina asikazi ukufela into sinayaziwe.
Into ekhona ufanele ayenze uMasipala uthatha yonke electricity ekhona econtrola nguye ayinikeze nje uEskom. Abantu bazithengele direct electric kuEskom.
Ayikhambile bilimaza imfridge ilimaza nama TV nabantwana besikolo abafunda umatric abakhona ukubhala kuhle.
uEskom angadlali ngathi ngoba nathi silila ngayo uMasipala lo kanti uEskom waye angasithengisela igezi yena straight sithenge kuye ngoba kumanje thina sithenga igezi sidoselwa 80%, sinikelwa igezi encane.
Mbono ngombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wakho mbukeli.